In this demo, I'm going to show you how to set up a NotesMail probe. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the configurator. Once you're in the configurator, click on Servers and Devices, and then Mail, NotesMail probes. Here's a grid showing the NotesMail probes that I've already configured. To add a new one, simply click on the plus button. If you want to delete one, you click on the X, and if you want to modify an existing one, you click on the paper and pen. We're going to create a new one. You have to give the NotesMail probe a name and a category. Let's just say we're testing Domino first, a simple case. Basically what this feature does is it creates a test mail message and drops it into the mail.box file on the source server, and then it goes over to the destination server to see if the message arrived, and if so, it times how long that takes. So let's say we're going to create something on DOM2, send it to Alan Forbes, and the destination is where my mail file is, which is on DOM1. And it's mail \aforbes.nsf. Now, you can also set a scan interval and an off-hour scan interval. The delivery threshold means how long will VitalSigns allow for the message to get there before it triggers an alert. It counts it as slow. So let's hit OK here. Now what that'll do is it will create a message addressed to me every 8 minutes, and that should show up in my inbox something like this. And if you see it, if you actually open it up, you'll see it's just a test message to verify NotesMail delivery, do not delete. Once VitalSigns discovers it in there, it will automatically delete it and clean it out. Let's do a slight variation of this. Let's say you want to make sure that mail can go into and out of your organization. I'm going to edit this one. Now what we want to do is send the test message to an echo service. And what an echo service is you send an email to the echo service, and the echo service just emails back to you, or does a reply to. Now I'm going to check that off. The send to address is instead going to be echo@tu-berlin.de. Now this is a free echo service, so you can't really count on it. They could always turn it off anytime they want to, and we wouldn't really be able to complain because we're not paying for it. But I'm sure that your internet provider could set up an echo service for you, or you could simply create something like that with a simple NotesMail agent on one of your servers. So I'm going to put in as a reply to address. This time it's replying to what was my send to address. So what's going to happen is we're going to send an email to this address. It's going to hit reply to the reply to address, and that's going to show up in the same target mail database as before. Let's see what that would look like. Okay, here you see we got a response back from the echo service. You have successfully reached the Technical University of Berlin in Germany. The way VitalSigns works is the original message that is created has a note doc ID, and we just look for a response from the echo service where the subject line contains that key. Then we know that the message has been received, it's gone all the way out and come all the way back in.